In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. If you run the same meeting every day, every week, or once a month, setting it up to repeat automatically will save time and keep everyone on track. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you feel confident creating a recurring series that fits your schedule. First, open Microsoft Outlook and switch to the calendar view. This is where all scheduling happens. To begin, click New Meeting. If this is just for your own calendar and you won't invite anyone, you can open a new appointment instead. The steps are nearly identical, but meetings include attendees while appointments stay personal. Now fill in the basics. Give your event a clear title or subject so it's easy to recognize later. For location, type a room or, if it's online, select Teams Meeting to automatically add a join link. Set the start and end time so the duration is accurate. If your organization spans multiple time zones, double-check the time zone setting to avoid confusion. Next, look for the Recurrence button on the ribbon and click it. This is where you define how often the meeting repeats. Choose Daily if it needs to happen every day or every set number of days. Pick Weekly to repeat on specific weekdays like every Monday and Wednesday. For Monthly, you can repeat on the same date each month or by a weekday pattern, such as the third Thursday. And if it's an annual event, select Yearly to bring it back each year on the same date or the same weekday pattern. Below the pattern, set the range of recurrence. Choose the start date, then decide when the series should end. You can set an end date or limit it to a specific number of occurrences. If you're unsure, it's often safer to choose an end date so the series doesn't continue indefinitely. Remember, you can always adjust these settings later. Click OK to apply the recurrence. If you're creating a meeting, add your attendees in the To field so they